Hello children, welcome to General Knowledge class. Today we are going to see the chapter 6 Mammal Mania. So identify these mammals with the help of the pictures and clues. Pick your answers from the help box. Number 1, you can see the picture. This egg-laying mammal is also known as spiny anteaters. So it feeds on ants and termites which it catches with its long sticky tongue. So here the answers have been given in the help box. So if you doesn't know the spelling of these mammals, you can check it from the help box. So it's an anteater animal. It was known as echidna. You have to say it as echidna. Then the second one, they are often hunted for food, traditional medicines, and the pet trade. So they have soft gray or brown fur and huge eyes encircled by dark patches. So it was known as loris. They are the only mammals in the world with a body covered with scales. So they do not have teeth and catch insects with their sticky tongues. So it's known as bungaloid. It is unique egg-laying mammal that has traits of other animals such as a duck's bill and webbed feet. So you can see its mouth. It looks like a duck's beak, right? Bill. And it has the webbed feet like duck. So a beaver's tail and an otter's fur and body. So it is platypus. Then the fifth one, it is the only living relative of the giraffe. However, it is often confused for being related to the zebra because of the similar black and white stripe pattern on its leg. So you can see its leg, isn't it? So this is known as okapi. And the sixth one is it is the largest rodent in the world, weighing around 75 kg. That is about capybara. Then it is the largest animal to have ever lived on earth. Despite its immense size, it feeds only on krill, which is a shrimp-like crustacean. So that is known as blue whale. So here these larger herbivorous animals are semi-aquatic. So this is a semi-aquatic, and during the day they remain submerged in water, keeping their eyes, nose and ears above the water to see and to breathe and to hear. So it's an animal named hippopotamus. A large marine animal with long tusk and a mustache. It is found near the Arctic Circle. It can be seen communicating with others of its kind by bellowing loudly. That is walrus. So this herbivorous mammal has needle-like bristles called quills, which he uses. So during times of danger, during the time of danger, it will bristles its quills to attack or to prevent the enemy from attacking. So that is of porcupine. So the next page, identify the correct terms used for groups of animals. Tick the correct option for each. Number 1, a group of monkeys. So it was called as troop. So a troop of monkeys, we'll tell it as when it was in group. Then a group of seals, we'll tell it as a pod of seals. A group of leopards, a pride of leopards. A gathering of whales, a school of whales. A group of apes, a shrewdness of apes. A plot of hippopotamuses, a zeal of zebras. So here you have to change the group into their groups, isn't it? For monkey it is troop, for seals it was pod, for leopards we'll tell it as pride, and for whales we'll tell it as school of whales, and apes we'll tell it as shrewdness of apes, and hippopotamuses we'll tell it as blood of hippopotamuses, and the zeal of zebras. So can you suggest some ways to put an end to poaching? So here, identify the animals on which the following films have been based. So here these animals have acted in these animals family acted in the movie. So let us see. 8 Below is a movie about the friendship between 8 members of these pack animals who are left behind the freezing Antarctica. So it's a movie 8 Below, isn't it? So this is the character who acted in that movie, Siberian Husky. So here then the number 2, this mammal has a short trunk and is found widely in South America. It also appeared in the film 2001, A Space Odyssey. It was named as, the name of the animal is tapir. This member of the mongoose family lives in Africa and is carnivorous. It starred in the animated film, so The Lion King, as Timon. So the name was Meerkat. So you all have seen the movie The Lion King, right? Yes, it's a character. The animal name is about Meerkat. Then this carnivorous bear is found in the Arctic Circle. It featured in the film The Journey Home, where a boy tries to reunite the cub with its mother. So it's a movie, The Journey Home, with the character Polar Bear. A ferocious member of the cat family, this animal appeared in the film Life of Pi. So it's and the thing is named as Bengal tiger. So I forgot to write this. So kindly note the answer as Bengal tiger. Then we are going to see about the elephants. So elephants are the largest land animals. State whether the following statements about elephants are true or false. So number 1, elephants spend around 16 hours a day eating. So it was true. So it will take more than 16 hours to eat. Then African elephants are smaller in size than Asian elephants, but their ears are larger. So African elephants are larger in size as well as the ears are bigger. So here it was given as smaller in size. So it was false. Then elephants can give birth once every year. So it can't give birth once in every year. It has to give 18 to 22 months. So after that only it can give for another birth. Then female elephants spend their entire lives living in herds, while male elephants roam freely by themselves. It won't roam freely by themselves. It also live along with the female elements in the herd. Then elephants use their trunk to drink water and to spray water on their bodies. This you all know, so we'll write it as true there. A newborn elephant takes almost a week to stand up. No. So within a second or within a minute it will try to get up from the place, isn't it? Then elephants are so sensitive and loving that whenever they pass their dead, they pay homage by gently touching the bones and tusks of the bodies. For example, if any elephants was dead, so what they'll do, they'll honor them. Homage means what? They'll honor the dead elephant and they'll just touch the bones and tusk of the dead elephant. So this was true. That is the habit of each and every elephant. So at this time of birth, a baby elephant measures around 3 feet and it weighs around 90 kg. So it is true. So elephants jump high to reach the topmost branches of trees and gallop when threatened or angry. So here it will reach, but it can't reach topmost of the branches, isn't it? But it will shout when it was threatened or it was hungry, isn't it? So here it can't reach the topmost of the branches. So it was false. Then Botswana has the largest number of elephants in the whole world. So it is true. So Bollywood actor John Abraham was honored with the Eco Warrior Award in 2008 for his role in creating India's first elephant village in Maharashtra. So here, how does an elephant come out of the water? Wet. So it's a slight joke which is given here in the down. So children, kindly copy these notes in chapter 6, that is about in page 26, in page 27 and page 28, page 29. So learn this chapter 6 and kindly copy these answers. Write all these answers once and just send it to the Google Classroom. Thank you, dear children.